Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to join two meetings at the same time from your laptop. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just to open a Gmail account which has my meeting invitation came here. So I have one meeting has class and one meeting has a webinar. I would like to join both meeting in my laptop. So I would like to access both meetings. So how to join same window, same time I would like to join both classes as well as webinar. So I just select first class and I can join the meeting. I just select join meeting. So once I select join meeting, automatically it will ask you to switch on your camera and mic. Just switch off the camera and mic and join your meeting. Yes, I have joined the meeting now, so I am in the class. Yes, now I would like to join one more meeting. How it is possible? Yes, it is possible. If you have the invitation, you can join both meeting in the same time. I just click join now. I can able to join both meeting at the same times in a single window itself. Yes, so now I have joined a meeting. So this is a single meeting. It has two accounts and this is a webinar and this is my class. While they're asking for my name or anything else, I can able to listen. For example, I'm not able to listen. I don't want this part only alone. I just right click on that, mute this tab. So once I select right click and I can able to mute this site means, so this site will be mute and this site will be enabled. So the people, those who are talking in the webinar, I can listen, and here I can able to switch on my turn on caption. So while my caption is turn on means with a name, with a text, I can able to understand. I can able to record also while I am recording start recording my application. So my classes also recording over here as well as my meeting also I can able to attend. So both the same time I can attend webinar as well as a class. So if my class teacher is calling me, my name means automatically my caption will be turned on. Automatically I can able to mute this tab. So I can able to mute this site and I can able to talk here. So that is most important. I can able to work both options. So this is an easy step. I can remove my mic, I can talk. So that is easy step. While you're in the meeting, you can able to join the meeting. Otherwise, you can copy the thing and just go to new ignore window and you can paste the same link and you can join the meeting. You can give your account details and you can join in a different account also. So that is also easy to access. With a single account, you can able to join both meeting. You can attend the meeting, you can submit your seminar details, everything. Hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.